I'm Annabel Herasta. Welcome to Strap Shop, located at upper ground floor, Fisher Mall, Quezon Avenue. We offer for adjustment links, then replacement batteries and replacement strap. And then, syempre lagi rin po kami nagpapagawa ng uniform sa Transfer E. Honestly, super convenient kasi malapit lang sila. Aside from that, mabilis lang ang process. Quality ang gawa, then laging on time ang delivery. Hindi ka mamumroblema. Sobrang okay, comfortable to wear, durable kahit paulit-ulit labhan, at ang ganda tignan. Very representable for our staff. Madalas nga may nagsasabi na ang linis at ang ayos ng uniform namin. Highly recommend talaga si Transfer It. Hindi lang uniform ang kaya nila. Marami pa silang services na makakatulong sa business. If you want something na mabilis, maayos at sulit, dito ka na. Thank you so much, Transfer It. For always supporting Strap Shop. We'll definitely continue working with you.